Have you ever wondered if the planets that twirl and spin in our vast cosmos have a tangible influence on our human lives? It's an intriguing question, isn't it? This brings us to the magnetic theory of astrology, proposed by Dr. Percy Seymour. To understand this theory, imagine the planets Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune as puppet masters. According to Dr. Seymour, they control the direction of convective motions within the Sun, which in turn generates the solar magnetic field. This field, modulated by the solar wind, impacts Earth's magnetic field. But the planetary influence doesn't stop there. Picture the tidal tug of these massive celestial bodies on the hot gases trapped in our magnetosphere. Due to resonance, these tugs lock some of the vibrations of Earth's magnetic field in step with planetary movements. And who picks up these fluctuations? It's the human fetus, whose nervous system acts like an antenna, tuning into these planetary vibrations. These vibrations synchronize the internal biological clocks of the fetus, which Dr. Seymour suggests control the moment of birth. The tuning of this magnetic antenna is carried out by the inherited genes, determining to some extent the basic genetically inherited personality characteristics of an individual. Now, Dr. Seymour divided his theory into 3 levels, each based on the level of scientific acceptance. At the first level, it's widely acknowledged that the sunspot cycle affects Earth's magnetic field. This effect is caused by the solar wind, which has been scientifically detected. It's also well known that the moon's gravitational pull causes tides in the upper atmosphere, generating electric currents and daily magnetic variations. The second level of the theory suggests that the steady state and fluctuating behavior of Earth's geomagnetic field have observable effects on organisms, including humans. It's used for finding direction and keeping internal body time. The third level, often overlooked, suggests that the positions and movements of planets as seen from the Sun influence the solar cycle. There's also controversial yet intriguing evidence suggesting that the positions of the planets at the time of birth are linked to an individual's personality traits. So, there you have it. Dr. Percy Seymour's magnetic theory of astrology. A fascinating perspective on how the dance of planets might choreograph the rhythm of human life. Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, it's a compelling theory that invites us to look up at the stars and wonder about our cosmic connections.